Hey guys, I'm here with the Slate Repaper. Now, if you love drawing or taking notes, this thing is going to be pretty cool for you. Talking about using a pencil, any pencil you want, any paper you want, as long as this is underneath it, it'll track what you're doing. Then it goes into an app, or you could use it with things like Photoshop or other desktop software. I'm going to draw something now. There's an active area on the Slate, just slide in a piece of paper here, and the pencil has a magnetic ring. This can be put on any writing tool you want. As you draw, the Slate itself is tracking the magnet placement. So I'm going to draw a face. It's actually tracked everything I did, and you can see the drawing on an app over here. The Slate is pressure sensitive, so if you want, you could really get in there, and the lines will get darker. It's very natural. If you've drawn before on paper, this is going to feel exactly the same. It also works with thicker papers. This is a postcard. I can draw on this too. Since it's using a magnet, it can actually see what I'm doing. So the Slate itself uses Bluetooth to attach to an iOS device or Android or a desktop if you want. And what's kind of neat is it has a standalone mode. So if you want, you can take the Slate outside, draw outside, it'll store the image, and then when you come back to your iOS or Android device, you can sync it back up. It's actually quite a brilliant idea, because who wants to sit inside sometimes? The Slate's got a really cool function when it comes to the app as well. So if I want to see how I drew this, I can hit play. It's going to replay my drawing as it was going on. You can see where I make a mistake right here. That's a mistake, but it's here. On the Slate, there are 2 buttons that will be customizable in the future. It'll allow you to do things like maybe switch your pen, maybe save, add different layers, that kind of thing. In size and shape, the Slate is about the size of an iPad. It's got a nice sturdiness to it, so if I want to draw, I don't need to get like something to lean on. I can actually just draw on this. So for pricing and availability, this is going to be around $200 when it launches. That's the aim anyway. It's coming out in September. I'm going to finish drawing Superman and see how that goes.